Welcome back to Spore and Sprout. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make jar lids with self-healing injection ports. This is quick and simple. You only need a few items, including paper tape, red RTV silicone, a hole punch, and a wet paper towel. The first step is to take your hole punch and punch 2 holes in the jar lid. This might take a little bit of force. After you have the holes punched, you can take your RTV silicone and squirt a blob on one of the holes. Now it's time to use your wet paper towel to dab the blob into a flat disc. The wet paper towel provides a convenient way to flatten the silicone without it sticking. These jar lids are extremely useful in injecting grain jars and liquid culture. It cuts down the risk of contamination by it healing itself after injection rather than taking the time to cover your hole with tape. The last step is to cover the second hole with paper tape to allow for gas exchange. And that's all there is to it. Allow the jar lids to cure for about 24 hours before using them. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one.